coming. So let's take a look at the mid-Atlantic right now. We stay on the East Coast this morning where temperatures are sitting at around freezing for Roanoke, Charlottesville into the 40s. Look at Trenton, New Jersey, 29 degrees this morning. It has prompted some freeze warnings in place across south and central New Jersey, across the Delmarva where we do have those frost advisories into eastern portions of Kentucky. Now this is just a cold start to the day. We do see that bounce back as we get into the afternoon. A look across the rest of the country. Many of us still kind of cool this morning, a little chilly out at the door. You maybe need those light sweaters, a light jacket as you're off to Sunday services. 40s there in Denver, even 50s for Portland, San Francisco, a cool 50 degrees. Now you can already see though some of that warmth beginning to build its way in out of the plains from Amarillo up into Lincoln, Minneapolis. You're actually 14 degrees warmer this morning than you were yesterday morning. 61 degrees was your high temperature yesterday. First 60-degree temperature since November 10th. We've been locked into a really brutal winter pattern in Minneapolis, as from the snow to the bitter colds. Well, now we're finally starting to see that change, and we'll enjoy it as the day goes on, especially as the week goes on. This jet stream displaced off to the north. It's going to hide the cold air up in Canada, and we finally see the stream of warmth, high pressure building in along with it as this ridge builds into the northern tier of the country. High pressure means we have sunshine, quiet weather conditions across the country. It's a welcome pattern change for the west, which has been so storm-ridden week after week over the last. Florida water temperatures are pushing 80 degrees. It is quite comfortable in those waters, but keep in mind that rip current risk about the further north you go up the peninsula. Here's a look at your outlook as we go into the next 3 days. It stays a bit stormy for Vero Beach, West Palm, a little windy too come Tuesday. Clearwater, we look like by about Tuesday we'll dry things out. Temperatures there climbing into the 80s. Greg.